What's up, my Bionic Kings and Queens? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. My Bionic Kings and Queens, has been a long time overdue. Thank you guys for sticking by me. Thank you guys for sticking with me, watching the channel. If you were, thank you so very much. Guys, there's so much for us to go ahead and catch up on, but let's go ahead and get into this prayer because I hate long intros. I can't stand them. All right, all right. Amen. My Bionic Kings and Queens, it's been a minute. So, off, I have a seafood boil. I have potatoes. I have snow crabs. I have green lip mussels. My absolute favorite. Girl, my mouth is already starting to like, ooh. I have me some shrimp. Girl, don't judge my shrimp, okay? Don't even judge my shrimp. And yeah, we're about to get it in. Friend, how you been? How's everything? We're gonna eat. We're gonna talk, chat it up. You know what I'm saying? Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go and let me know. You know what you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Also, I'll have a few links of other channels that I would like for you guys to go ahead and view. You know, they're part of the family, so go ahead and support them for me. I have Brian the Beer Snob, and then I have Crazy Fitness. I'll link those channels up so you guys can go ahead and watch them. Guys, please go ahead and support. I appreciate it so much. Here's the first bite to you, to us, to new beginnings, and to continue on. Continue on. That's all right. Yeah. Friend, this is a spicy mayo sriracha sauce. I put some hot sauce in it. To me, I just like, it's like a seafood boil. It's not even like a seafood boil without like this spicy mayo sauce. So bomb. Phenomenal. Friend, don't come for my fingers, okay? I'm gonna have them rest. I got them done. And they tore me all up. They tore me up, friend. For real, for real. They got what you girl. Yeah, they sure did. I'm sorry. I got my bag right over here. I got me some natural strawberry lemonade. Non-GMO. You know what I'm saying? Trying to do right, y'all. Don't mind the seafood, okay? I ain't put that much sodium in it, so you got to be all right. And I said I wasn't going to drink until, like, you know, I got, like, deep into it, but that spice got to the back of the palate. Back of the palate. I gotta have my little bag. I can't see that. So, friend, how y'all been? How's everything? I hope y'all New Year's going good. For if you hear any noise, it's busy up there. I apologize in advance. But I had to record day, night, daytime. Everybody's up. So I apologize. But yes, ma'am. That's a happy dance. It's yummy. It's yummy. Friend, I'm gonna hit y'all up with things I've been thinking about, things I want to do. You know, some challenges, which I haven't been seeing much of the mukbangers do it. Like, I don't know. I think we all just took a break. A good amount of the YouTube mukbangers that I'm familiar watching took like a long pause, which is rightfully deserved. Everybody needs a break so they can recap, get back on focus. You know what I'm saying? I'm just happy that they back here. You know, feel me? I'm just happy that they back. And for the ones that just kept on pushing, that never stopped, my hats go to you guys. With these high prices and seafood nowadays, like I don't even understand it, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is, baby. You know? Oh, girl, this thing is spicy. You know, when I prepare stuff like this, I prepare it with my eyes, so I don't never think that it's enough spice. And so I just keep going and going and going and going and going. That's fine, because only I can eat it. Yeah, only I can eat it, so yeah. I think I overdid it. My baby's not coming out whole. They're not coming out whole, boo. Girl, if you ain't never had you a spicy mayo with crab, I'm gonna need you to try it, friend. I'm gonna need you to try it. And when you can't eat seafood without it, don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. Well, this thing is working me today. Like, what is going on? Why are you working me like that? Hmm? Why is you working me like this? Like, you don't even understand. Mm-hmm. I'm so happy to be that. Mm. These things are too expensive to be leaving anything behind. Girl, you gotta get everything. Everything gotta go. See that, girl? See that? Mm-hmm. Right in there. Right in there, friend. Mm-hmm. Y'all ain't see that. Mm-hmm. Happy Tuesday, guys. You know, they're like, why in the world this girl got enough long sleeve eating seafood? Trying to be cute. Trying to be cute. She's trying to be cute, friend. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. That's how you gonna do it? Fine with me. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Double check, ain't nothing in there. It's clean. Mm, 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 mm. It's clean, friend. It's clean. My potatoes. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Gotta clean out. Right, you gotta clean it. And I'm just here. Happy to see you guys. Happy to be talking to you guys. There's so much catching up to do. I ain't gonna go get married or nothing, but you know, I've been here. What I just say? I ain't run off nowhere to go get married or nothing. But you know, I'm here for it. I don't know. Girl, I thought I wasn't recording, child. I almost had a heart attack. You know, I've been trying this new link thing or whatever. And yesterday, I recorded a video, and in the middle of the recording, my husband called, and I just completely lost the footage. So, oh, that was a little like welcome back kind of thing, I guess. Nothing is ever easy, so you gotta roll with the punches, baby. You gotta roll with the punches. See that, friend? Frank, catch me. Whoo! That went down too fast. I should have tried to slow it down a little bit. And that was too good. That was real good. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm coming. It's been a minute. Not eating seafood. Cause this is like my this type of meal is like my treat. It's like, you know, do something for yourself. You have to work hard, a long day, long hours. Honey, I treat myself. I treat myself to a bottle of seafood. I really do. I put the money aside and I treat myself because I work hard. I work hard. I deserve it. Period. I deserve it. So it hasn't been a minute for me. It's just been a minute eating in front of the camera and recording, eating them up. Yeah. I'm not trying to get too full. Or whatnot. You know, I'm trying to hurry up too. You know, seafood don't taste all that all that good cold. So, and the snow crabs, I mean, compared to what I'm seeing, all pretty good. I remember I used to buy snow crab, what? $8.99, $7.99 a pound. $8.99, $7.99 a pound. And now snow crabs like $15, $16 a pound. Where I'm from. So, yeah. Well, it don't skyrocket. It don't skyrocket, friend. So, it ain't cheap. But it sure is fulfilling. So, I'm worth every cent. And so I will continue to do seafood. That's going to become a mess. Because I'm worth every cent, friend. I'm worth it. So I want it. And I get it. Sometimes I'm not talking about. I'm talking raw. That's good. Good, friend. And I actually like waited because I knew if I waited, I was going to enjoy it more versus having it last week, having it again this week. Okay, you know what? I'm going to wait. And when I do eat it, I'll enjoy it. And that I am doing. Yeah, it's absolutely my guilty pleasure right here. Seafood. So, friend, let me know what y'all been up to in the comments. You know, let me know your New Year's resolution, whatever you want to do, your vision board, whatever it is that you want to put for your 2023. Share it. Let's be each other's support system. Let's be each other's support team. Let's educate one another because there may be somebody that's in your shoes that's been going through it and you can help them. So, let's help one another. Okay? That's what it boils down to. Let's think positive too. No negativity, please. Please, no. Let's enjoy life. It's already crazy stuff going on. Crazy stuff going on, baby. Let's not stop, no show. Let's push it. We'll be all right. Like mine, I want cool. I want to get fit, man. You know, I be putting on my two-piece, friend, and I had, it's not even a fufa, friend. That stomach is just damn big. Like 4 months pregnant big. Yeah. And that's not cute on two-piece, friend. I mean, for me. If you can rock it, do you? But friend, for me, friend, I done had it on too long. I'm ready to get rid of it, friend. I'm ready to get rid of it. It's like old couch. It's time to go. Save your money for you to go ahead and buy your new set couch. That couch gotta go, friend. It gotta go. It got to go. Love handles. My thing is a full-blown sofa. Love handle. I ain't even gonna lie to stuff like that. I ain't gonna do that. Nope, she ain't gonna do that. So, I hope my videos, I can have some other food. I definitely want to try some African food. And I could have tried it way back when, but I really wanted to go ahead and be in front of the cameras and really experience it with you guys. So that's the only reason why I really haven't And I don't know if I want to do that experience. Even if it's like a year old or 2 years old when everybody was talking about African food, but I still have not done it. And I want to. And so, I just want to put out bomb content. These mussels huge. I bought it at a market. I'm usually buying it like at a Chinese store and it comes in a box. But it changes. You gotta find a way that's gonna be good for you. Girl, the spice in this sauce. Yeah. Honey, honey. Sugar, sugar. I mean, I can't see my face, but God, I'm busy. Is my mouth dirty? Probably is. Probably is. Yeah, and I got a mirror behind me too, but child, I ain't want to put on my glass because I sure enough can't see. And it's not that far from me either. But you think I can see? Everything blurry. It's blurry, honey. Blurry. I see myself, but to be like, oh, I got something on my face. Yeah, I can't see that. Yeah, did I just tell you guys my age? No, right? I hope not. Hope not. But I ain't ashamed of it. No. All right, I'm in my wine ages, honey. I'm in my wine ages. You hear me? Yes, ma'am. Honey. They done sat me there, girl. I don't age, girl. I'm good to go. I am good to go. I'm going problem like them. This thing is giving me problems. I don't know why, but I got. Don't give me no problem, kid. We don't want no problems. I mean, he is already gone. Already steamed up, cooked. What do you find for now? Oh, the sauce almost gone. I'm almost full. Oh, God. I did not want to overdo it at all. But I'm going to leave this right here for later. I'm going to snack on. I'll leave this so I can snack on. I feel it running down my chin. I feel it running down my chin. I feel it running down my chin. You're probably going to tell me, friend, it's been there. Well, thank you for telling me now. Thank you. Thanks, friend. Friend, I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to overdo it. And if I continue, I'm going to overdo it. And I don't want to overdo it. So, friend, thank you. I know I was doing a lot of looking down. I got to get familiar. I'm used to looking up at the camera again. I have to get used to a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? So, please excuse me, forgive me, judge my mind, not my heart. Something like that, friend. I'm just trying to sound sophisticated. Oh, I know what I'm talking about. I wanted to. But, friend, please like, comment, and subscribe, please, to your girl's channel. Don't forget, You know what I'm saying? Friend, if you stayed all the way to the end, type in "We Back" or "Blue Heart" to let me know you watched it all the way to the end. Guys, I thank you so much for all your support. I thank you so much for tuning in. I thank you so much for your comments. I thank you for your encouraging words. I just thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. And I don't think I would ever stop thanking you guys enough, because where would we have been without one another? We could have been a lot of places, but I'm grateful to know that we are here together and we're making it through together. So once again, friend, thank you so much. Don't forget, bye. Look out for your girl. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and I'll go ahead and drop those other videos that I want you guys to go ahead and check out. Subscribe to Crazy Fitness and also Brian the Beer Snob. Please, guys, go ahead and support. I thank you guys so much. And yeah, like always, bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, my bionic kings and queens. We at. Period. Bye, guys.